out to the west of us.
Just got a report on, by the Marengo police of a funnel cloud in Marengo. That's in McHenry
Just look
County.
at that guy.
Funnel cloud in Marengo,
Somewhere around
McHenry County.
sorry.
So that might be associated
So
with this cluster of
we're
storms right
somewhere
there.
below down Kempton
And that
Hills,
would be
and
where you would
look
expect
at that.
some
It's all the
awfully
way up
strong
there.
winds.
We got
Note,
tornado watch.
This bold line right here, the models had suggested
Look
it
at
would
that.
move right down to about there and then begin to wash out. That will take place in the
I
next
will.
1 to 2 hours. But that means this area right in here
Give me a
is
sec.
the greatest risk for some damaging winds, and that would include northern Cook County, northern Kane County,
So
perhaps
tornado
extend
watch
over
until
to DuPage
midnight.
County, back through northern DeKalb County and into Lee and Ogle counties. Down south, there may be scattered thunderstorms, but not severe. There also is the threat of very heavy rain because these storms are training over a huge area. And
So we're
therefore,
right around
you know, if
the
you put your
Aurora
finger right
area.
there and just watch the cells
And
going over it,
quite
you
far
can see
out,
how
but
one cell
if we see up
after
north,
another
I think we're
passes
going to
over
have
the
some
same
tornadoes
area.
up there.
And that's when you get these really huge amounts of rain. We get 4 to 5 inches of rain out of this. There's also hail in attendance with these storms up in that area. Though the big purple areas, it looks like the vills are coming down. That's the measure that we look at on Doppler radar, and paint on here is the purple and blue areas where the large hail is occurring. Those seem to be shrinking in aerial coverage, and that's a good sign right there. Before I throw it back to Mark and Ortis, Steve, anything of note here?
A lot of flooding in Belvedere with several streets closed.
Streets closed, a lot of flooding in Belvedere, guys, reported to us from Steve Kahn. And it was Antioch, right, where we had power outages forecast, and that's right up in
So I think the orange areas, they represent tornado warnings, and yellows represent probably a severe thunderstorm warning.
Stuart, Iowa, that were taken a few hours ago, and one of the viewers says that it dissipated, a tornado there dissipated after 10 minutes on the ground. Does that mean anything to you, Tom?
You know what? The life cycle of a tornado varies. We here in northern Illinois, for instance, our tornadoes can often last 2 or 3
I think I'm going to
minutes.
cut it right
There are
here, guys.
exceptions.
Hopefully I'll bring you up
But
another
tornado,
episode of this.
tornadoes